Hi guys, hi YouTubers, hope you're well today. I just thought I'd do a video today. I kept being asked this question quite a few times actually, and a few people said to me, why have you got a blog, or do you need a blog, or do I need a blog, or is it advisable to have a blog? And my answer is yes, I think it is. I think it's important for you to have a blog because you're getting exposure with Google as well as sending people to your offers, and also what you're building online basically. I see a lot of people sending their offers to sales pages, and you don't want to do that. You really want to send it to an opt-in page, so you grab their email and their name because they might not be interested in the product you're promoting. But when you actually grab their email address and their name, you can send them another promotion that they might be interested. But going back to the blog situation, I think it's important because I think having a blog is a good base. You need a base for everything, because when I promote my business, I do send opt-in pages out, and they click on my opt-in page, then it goes to my sales page, and then I have my blog advertised on the bottom page. Or I have, or do, send people to an opt-in page and then straight to my my blog. I've done a few testers because it actually works, and I always find having a blog is you're adding value to your new prospects, and plus they know who you are, and also if you're promoting one product to your downline or new prospects, they can actually see what you're doing, your other business you're building. Because, for example, this is my blog here, mattfeastonline.com. When I scroll down, I'm promoting a company, trading company, and on the right-hand side, I'm promoting other businesses. So I might get, they might be interested in this promotion, and they might not, or they might be interested in these other things on the right-hand side. So I'm getting, two bites of the cherry, so to speak, And that's what you really need to do. Is build a blog, and also it's branding yourself. I'm actually branding myself. Matt Feast Online. That's who I am. Online marketer, crypto trader as well. And I've got a story about me, how I started. People want to know this. People want to know this. People, I find when people do business with you, they want to know more about you before they spend money. I see so many people promoting products or businesses online, and they just you can't, they're faceless basically. They don't know who they are. They might get a couple of conversions, but if they can see the actual person, they do business with you. Most of my customers know me because I'm quite persistent. I quietly send emails out. I do. Some people don't even know, but I always put my blog on it, and I can see who I am. Matt Feast, and read about me, and then see what my offers, what I'm promoting, and I get conversions, and that's what it's about, guys. And plus, I'm building my list as well. You need to build your list; it's really important. Your list is having an ATM. The reason why is like having an ATM, because if I'm promoting the business, the first thing I do is send the new promotion or the new products I'm trying to build. I send it to my list, and that's the first thing I do. And then I send traffic to my blog, write an article about the product, okay. And then what happens is Google picks it up. So I'm getting traffic from the internet, Google or Bing or any or search engines. Also, I'm getting traffic from solo ads, because I use a solo ad provider. I use quite a few solo ad providers, and then you've got to get yourself out there basically, every way you can, because you're never ever going to make a good living online if you don't do this. You need to kind of get yourself out and start building your business, building your brand, building you, okay. And that's how I'm doing this, and a lot of marketers should follow my suit. It's not rocket science, no. It really isn't rocket science, And I always find having a blog, I actually get my YouTube videos linked to it, as this one here. and you're adding value with all my information I'm getting, and also I'm branding me. And this, it's important to brand yourself because you never know what's going around the corner. All these online businesses, some are really, really great. Some, last for years. Some don't. But if you don't brand yourself, and you're building a business, and all of a sudden that business goes pop or like exit scam, you're left with egg in your face, basically. But having a blog, you can move forward, and also I have I did have a discussion with a guy the other day. Now all these social media platforms, they're fantastic, great for getting traffic. But what happens if you had a YouTube channel or a Facebook channel, okay, and all of a sudden they took that away? What would happen? You would lose your income, wouldn't you? So having a blog is an ideal way to be in control of your own business, So that's another reason, because you never know what's going to happen, You could, I know Facebook and YouTube, they kind of send emails out, so you shouldn't do this, you shouldn't do that, you shouldn't post this, and you get a strike if you copyright on YouTube, which is fine. But if you do it too many times, or sometimes you do things and you don't realise it, and you never know, they could block you or take your account away or suspend you, and you've got no way of making money, and then you've lost your income stream, and that's, you've got to be careful, at the end of the day. It might not be even your fault, but that's my advice, is get a blog. Honestly, it's really, really, I think it's important, and if you've got no money, you can actually go to these companies online, like Wix, for example, and build a free blog, or you can build your own blog. There's loads of information on YouTube how to build your blog. My blog I built myself, WordPress. It's really, really good. You buy a domain name, and then you link it up to these hosting companies. I use a company called HostGator. Very good company, very reputable company, and very, very good support. And that's what you need to do. And so you just need to build it, and also get traffic to it. Traffic is the blood of our industry. You're also always having all these products or whatever, or these businesses you're promoting or whatever, but you need traffic. But all I'm doing is solo ads, and I do Facebook Lives, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube is a good way of getting traffic. But I know some people are really, really scared of getting their face out there, and they're very, very nervous. I understand because I was in the same boat a few years ago, very, very nervous. But you've got to get out of this comfort zone, and if you get out of this comfort zone, that's where the money is. But you can actually get these faceless videos, or you can do it by AI. And get the an AI to copy you, and you can actually do a faceless YouTube channel. So there's always loads of ways of building an online business these days. But going back to the blog situation, it's it's gold, and that's what you need to do. And you probably think, how am I going to build a blog? Well, it's quite easy. Go on to YouTube. YouTube is the master of education. I've learned so much in the last 12 years since I've been online. I've done courses after courses, but I've mainly learned off YouTube. It's absolutely educational, brilliant, basically fantastic. I even learned how to trade crypto with YouTube. So there's so much education on YouTube. It really, really is. Anyway, meanwhile, guys, I'm going to wrap this up now. But thanks very much for watching my video. Really appreciate it. My name's Matt Feast. Please subscribe to my channel. That'd be really, really good. And also give my my channel a like. That would be nice. And leave a comment. Say hi. And I'll be interested in what you're doing. But meanwhile, have a great day, and thank you very much for watching the video. Really appreciate it. Take care, guys.